Welcome to another day in my life as a flight attendant, and I love it, and you're gonna love it too.
Having fun today. They call me Flydoll. Yeah. You wanna fly with me? You wanna fly with me? You wanna fly? You wanna fly? You wanna fly with me? You wanna fly? You wanna fly? You wanna fly with me?
Your girl was just chilling on the couch because today is actually Halloween. And I was like, it's like 1 o'clock. I was having some coffee, pulling out Christmas decorations. All of a sudden, ooh, come in, light. All of a sudden, crew scheduling. So, am I looking like Pookie with this lip? Just a little, but it's okay. I'll be Pookie today. Anyways, y'all, guess where we are going? We're going to home of the Polish dogs, the sausage links, the Wiener Schnitzels, Frankfurt, Germany. You going? Because you're coming with me, boy. Let's go. Yeah, she's the last one.
She was the last one.
She's the last one. Jack. Sorry about the clarity of this clip, but I wanted to show you guys that we have to get bussed into the terminal here in Germany when we land. My vlogging phone died, so I'm using another phone. Just got to my room. Let's see what I got. welcome back. Let me show you the outfit. So this is so soft, you guys. Like, it feels so good, so warm and cuddly. All right, so the last clip you guys just saw was me entering the hotel. I gave you the tour, and that's it. Your girl took a shower, and we went right on to sleep because your girl was tired. So technically, it is 3 p.m. Frankfurt time, and I left at 6:30 p.m. Eastern. So technically, we arrived here around like, what time was that? I just remember it was it was 8 a.m. Frankfurt time. That means and we're 5 hours forward, so that means it was 3 a.m. Y'all, don't pay me no attention, okay? It was 6 a.m. I don't know what I'm talking about. Eastern. Nonetheless, I got 5 hours of sleep. It's a new day. So the mission is to try a Frankfurter. Frankfurt is famous for their pork sausages. Now, I'm not really that into pork, but I heard there's a really good beef sausage. So, we have to try the food of the land. And then we'll see what else we can get into. I heard there was a grocery store where we could get some really good, they said to bring home, like, I guess, they're like mustards for Polish dogs, like really good mustards, or they said wine, chocolate, and then there's, I guess, a pharmacy next door that has really good like facial creams and really good deodorant that's really cheap. So, however, this bed, y'all, hold on, just look at the bed, y'all. Just look at the bed. Okay, so I've been bringing that with me as a crossbody bag. Just throw it in the suitcase. But yeah, I mean, it looks big on camera. Yeah, that is every bit of a fool, okay? Your girl is 5'9.5". Hold on, let me make sure you understand this. I'm 5'9.5", okay? Yeah, no. It's a big body here. It's a big body binge. Your girl needs a queen or more. I think I would be doing too much with the scarf. Yeah. Quick shoe change. Your girl was feeling cute. I forgot, we're not here to get cute, girl. I'm here to give you a tour of Frankfurt. So, let's go out. It's supposed to be raining. It's supposed to be the only day that's not raining, but I know it's still cold, so let's go. Today is actually Monday, so I don't know if these are working people. It's another Hotel Bono. Ooh, coffee and tea. That is actually exactly what I need. So Christmas has officially begun for me with visiting this store called the Depot. Let's go and look at some fabulous decor. Stay tuned for part 2 of my layover in Germany. See you this Sunday.